I forgot how much I absolutely love that. I haven't done that since I came off the Grisot. That's been June 16th. It is now late October. I don't know what it is outside. 8 Celsius. Oh my God, how much did I miss that? As you know from a previous video, I have an electric bicycle, as it were, and I come out here on it. I can get up those slopes there, easy as pie on it, and it is lovely, and I can challenge myself, and it's strictly for my health, to keep me fit, so I can do this. I do get some great times running into animals on it, because it's silent, absolutely silent. I ran into a bear last week. He heard the tires, and I guess it's a 50-50 situation. You come up against a bear, and if it's well fed and it doesn't have cubs, and these are black bears, by the way, if it doesn't have cubs, then it's usually going to run. And this turned and ran like unbelievable. I can do up to 60 kilometers an hour on that electric bike, pedaling downhill. It assists me up to 32 kilometers an hour. Not a chance in hell that I could get away from a bear. It was probably doing 40. And it darted off to the side. So amazing. Of course, you do come up on these. If you come up a rise and they think you're somewhere down there, you can startle a bear too, and I've seen plenty of that. But really close encounters on the electric bike. All of that leads me to, wow. Sometimes when you don't use a bike for a while, you think, maybe it's time to stop doing dirt. No, that was so much fun. And you know what? I'm better than I thought I was. As you don't do dirt and you come back to it and you think, okay, my shoulder's better now, my thumb's better, but I better be ginger about what I'm going to do, because hell, I haven't been on it for a while. And was I really that good anyway? Damn it, yes, I was good. Not brilliant, but good enough. Good enough to get out here and ride the bike over, grizzly, rocky stuff, and have absolute full confidence and control. So enjoyed that. Of course, the bike really, really helps with the suspension it has on it, but wow. This is a weekday, and now it's admittedly a Friday, and it's late on a Friday, probably, God knows, 2 o'clock, but I should be able to get to my fishing hole and hope that no one's there. We'll see. It's a popular fishing hole for the bush. There are other ones. Not seeing any rises, but oh well. Bad day of fishing, you know what they say. It's a bit late in the season. I don't see any rises, and it has been unusually cold the past few days, so well, we'll give it a shot. Well, what a gorgeous day that was. Beautiful. And you know what they say, the worst day fishing is better than the best day of work. And that was by no means a bad day fishing. I did get a couple of bites, but it's very slow today. But I really value this place just for the calm it brings you. A couple of risers out there, you can see one there. And I've been after him the entire time, and he's a wily customer, that one. A couple of love nips, and that's about it. Love nip spit it out and bat its eyelids at me, if fish have eyelids. Alright, I think it's time just to go have a look around. No feet down, no feet down. Yay! Yeah, there's a bit of slime in there. Bit of muddy crud. Very quiet with the animals too. It's that time of year. A couple of V's of geese flew over, honking away way high. I caught their reflection in that beautiful still lake as they take off to warmer climes further south. Gate ahead. It's open today. Where I am, as in I know how to get home from here, but I don't know where the old lake used to be. And there we are. The lake, if I remember rightly, the fishing here was good, but the access was bad.